Today's home maintenance is cleaning out your garbage disposal. Here's what you Step 1. Take a flashlight and see if there's any food debris in the disposal. No food debris, but it's definitely dirty. Step 2. Take a handful of ice cubes, half a cup of coarse salt, pour them down the disposal. With the water running, let it run for 1 minute. Step 3. Pour a cup of white vinegar, a handful of baking soda, and while that fizzes, take a toothbrush and scrub. Gross. Final step, take your sink stopper, fill it full with warm water and a little bit of dish soap. When it's about 3/4 full, turn the water off, turn the disposal on, and pull out the stopper. One final flush. Do that cleaning once a month and follow me for more home maintenance tips.